All right, guys, got this little shift handle stub sticking out the floor there. I got to build a shift handle and a shift knob. You know, I just searched the internet and looked at probably every rat rod shift knob made. I mean, they come up, these rat rod guys, they come up with stuff. I think they use everything in the world for shift knobs already, so I probably won't be able to find anything unique that nobody's ever used. So I'm going to just go with brass knuckles. I'm going to make a brass knuckle shift handle shift knob for that rat rod. Alright, let's do it. Oh yeah, you guys, I know most of you already do follow or subscribe to old cousin Ken 1963 paddle two-door. But if you hadn't, you need to, because he's been doing this, building stuff, rat rods, cars, trucks, yard art, metal art. He's been doing it for 10 years. So you guys, if you hadn't subscribed to him, you need to check him out. I'll put a link down there to his channel. Alright, appreciate you. Yeah, I'm just going to use a piece of number 9 wire to kind of bend it around where I think will work. Yeah, that'll work right there. Yeah, I don't have no plasma cutter. Man, I wish I did. Them good ones is high dollar though. I'm gonna have to go with the blue wrench on this. Yeah, I don't have a plasma cutter, but I got a blue wrench and I got a good grinder. Good thing I got a good grinder, because that blue wrench cut looks like the backside of a dinosaur. Yeah, I don't know who invented this side grinder, but I'd like to walk up to him and kiss him smack dab on the lips. and no, I ain't gay. Sorry, Sulu. low. Right there. Just in case some young big buck gets feisty, wants to jump on me, I can unscrew this shift knob and have me an equalizer. Alright guys, another day in a little shop where dreams come true. A lot of work making that shift knob and that shift handle and videoing it all at the same time. So I hope you guys appreciate it. And if you do, give me a thumbs up down there. And if you hadn't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell beside it, and you get a notification next time I upload a video. All right, appreciate you.